Hello guys, this is how to enable or disable app screen or apps drawer on your Samsung Galaxy A07. Basically, you want to head over to the settings of your Samsung Galaxy A07 and then you want to just scroll down until you get to the home screen settings over here. Select that. Now scroll down to where we have the home screen layout. Select that as well. And as you can see from over here, we currently have home screen and app screen turned on or selected, meaning that the app screen or apps drawer is currently being enabled on my Samsung Galaxy A07. To disable it currently, I will just have to select the home screen only option, then click on apply. And now if I go over to the home of my Samsung Galaxy A07, if I swipe up, you're going to see now that apps drawer or app screen has been disabled on my Samsung Galaxy A07. To enable it, make sure you do the same thing. So go over to the settings of your Samsung Galaxy A07 and then to the home screen settings, then to the home screen layout option, and then over here you want to make sure you select home and app screen option. And once you select that, you want to click on apply. On the home of your Samsung Galaxy A07 now, if you swipe up, you should be able to find the app screen. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.